Westermans here with two new spot welders which has just arrived, both 80 kVA, both made in Italy. The machines themselves, slight differences, one is inverter and one is transformer based. Inverter spot welders are 3-phase, where transformer based are 400 volts but running on 2 phases. Difference is, on the 80 kVA inverter will take a 63 amp supply, so a standard red plug, where the 80k transformer type actually requires 140 amps fuse supply from the mains, so will be wired in direct. These machines are supplied with cooling systems, either chilled or recirculator. All come with 12 months warranty. This type of machine, being a projection welder, is ideal for doing nuts. Obviously standard plate as well, sheet metal. Example for nut welding would be 4mm stainless doing 8mm nut. More details available on westermans.com. Thank you for looking.